the picture?
Apparently dinner was very good tonight.
What can we do now?
Oh no.
Ugh.
Oh no.
Yeah?
No, you can.
How's that going for you?
Peekaboo.
He just fell into his mouth.
What you doing, Bubba?
Oh, goodness. Maybe we should put that down.
Oh, and the camera's not good enough to get his hair. Can you say, Daddy, come give me a bath?
Mommy.
Bubba, say, Daddy, give me a bath. Come home and give me a bath, Daddy.
Oh, Bubba. No, those teeth, huh? There's some keepers. Dog with a glass bowl.
He's going to be crappy because I'm laughing too hard. You can see Cletus just waiting. Bubba, bite? Stop.
I can't stop.
You can't.
He's like, I'm under pressure. You guys are videotaping me.
I was trying to get a good shot of him licking the plate.
He's like too slippery to pick the cup up almost.